And we're back in business. It is with great pleasure that I introduce my schools. Not that I'm biased, of course, but you know I am. Kecoughtan High School's Academy of Teaching and Learning Education to present their dual language literacy kits. Team, you have 1 minute to set up, and then your time will begin.
Check. Check.
Good morning, my name is Abigail Browning. I'm the Senior ATEL Ambassador.
Good morning, my name is Atlas Bourque. I am the Junior ATEL Ambassador.
Good morning, my name is Victoria Scott. I'm a senior ATEL student.
Good morning, my name is Savannah, Bilski, a sophomore ATEL student, and this is Kecoughtan Connects, the ATEL Academy, with our dual language literacy kits.
ATEL has been working on community outreach for the growing population of dual language learners in the city of Hampton by providing resources to our local schools and libraries. Our driving question is, how can we as future educators create and implement effective community outreach designed to engage DLL students and their families? We've come up with some potential solutions, creating literacy kits for the dual language learners in grades K through 2, demonstrating our kits at local schools and libraries, and then distributing those kits. The items in the kit include children's books in both English and Spanish, as well as physical and reading comprehension activities. These activities make kids comfortable in learning English fun. The one on our screen was made by one of our very own presenters, Savannah.
So this is my kit, the All Are Welcome Dice Roll, in which came the All Are Welcome book, a dice, and questions in both English and Spanish. And you'll see me later implement this kit with a couple of kids at Langley Elementary School.
What are DLL students? DLL, or Dual Language Learners, is a student who is learning 2 languages at once, the language they are learning at home and more often than not English. Some aspects of teaching DLL is incorporating the home language, engaging the family, and using resources like flashcard books, games, and now our literacy kits. In 2023, 27%, or over 117,000 of elementary students were DLL across the Commonwealth. And in 2025, 121 students are enrolled as DLL in Hampton City Schools grades K through 2. Here is a visual representation of that data.
For part 2 of our planning and proposal, we met with Ms. Viviana Fuller, a community partner who works with dual language students, through her business A+ academics. She shared tips to help us engage DLL students and families. She also connected us with the Hampton City Schools ELL department. Then we met with the ELL department at Kecoughtan to see what activities would best help the students. Using the resources provided by the Hampton City Schools ELL department, we began choosing children's books and brainstorming literacy activities based off of those books. What we planned to do was to address the academic needs of dual language learners in grades K to 2 in the area of reading comprehension. We then provided literacy-based kits for dual language learners in grades K to 2, participated in family engagement events that let us distribute those kits.
In early January, we met with our ELL department to understand how to help our dual language students. Then we started the creation of our kits to give to our community partners.
We reached out to our community partners to implement our kits.
And then we implemented our kits at local schools and daycares. And then in late March, we sent our kits to libraries, schools, daycares, and also World Language Welcome Centers. So these are a couple of locations that we've already implemented our kits into. The first one being Langley Elementary School, in which we went in and did our kits with the kids. Our next one is La Petite Academy in Hampton, in which we donated them a kit, in which they're very excited to receive, as they just had a DLL family enroll. Our next one is the Patriot Center, in which we donated them 2 kits. Our next one is TikTok Around the Clock, in which our students implemented their kits with their kids. Our next 4 is going to be all 4 branches of the Hampton Public Library, first being our Willow Oaks branch, our main branch, our Phoebus branch, and our Northampton branch, in which it is in their catalog, so families can go in our libraries and check them out, and they can also rotate them in between all 4 libraries. And our last one, which is very close to me as I grew up going to this library, and also this is our first kit with math. It is the Main Street Public Library in Newport News, Virginia, as a part of our expansion.
What worked well for us was students being able to have a better understanding for the ELL department and our dual language students. We formed connections with multiple community partners, and our students really stepped up when it came to the creation of our kits.
For our areas of growth, we want to implement more kits with complex skills like science and math, and we want to continue community outreach.
The struggles we encountered and the changes we would make go hand in hand with each other. First off, we had to pivot because our original community partner fell through, and then we met with Ms. Fullwood and the ELL program, and they helped us create our literacy kits. Second off, with all of us being in different classes, it was really hard to find time to work together, so we would definitely account for that and plan more time. And then lastly, meeting with the community partners. Instead of having large groups of students go, we would have smaller, more select groups for a more personal and engaging experience.
A couple of next steps that we plan to take is having more languages implemented, as Hampton and Newport News are both growing populations. Our next is having more kits made, as we only have 14 to 16 kits to implement, and we'd love to implement more. Our next is having more resources for parents, having welcome guides into the cities of both Hampton and Newport News, and having more levels as kids progress in learning the English language. And on the next slide, you will see me implement my All Are Welcome Bachelor kit in a Langley Elementary PBL classroom.
I want to give a thank you to all of our community partners.
And a thank you to ATEL.
A thank you to Ms. Hanson and everyone who made this project possible.
And a thank you for all of you being here today to watch us present. Are there any questions?
The floor is now open for comments or questions from our judges.
Thank you for sharing the project with us. Our question is, how did you receive funding for the kits and how do you plan to continue making more? And cost per kit?
Okay, so a lot of our books were luckily donated by our teacher, Ms. Hanson, so thank you so much, Ms. Hanson. Our next is that we actually had the Northampton Library donate a couple of books to us in both English and Spanish. So funding, I feel like we definitely will go for donations. Our activities are made on Canva that the school pays for, so the activities were completely free to make to us. And did that answer your question?
All right, thank you.